Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check RAM and storage size in your Android phone, especially if you have a Samsung Android phone. So you can go to the settings. Now you can scroll down and try to search the about phone here. Usually the about phone is at the bottom, and here we go. This is the about phone. Here in about phone you can check, or you can view your all about your phone. So my phone right now that I'm using to record this video is a old phone Oppo A92. Even I can change the device name, like this is the version, like build number, baseband, kernel version, and hardware version. This is the my color OS version. Android version still the Android version 11, and this is the processor, the brain, and this is the RAM. And in Oppo there is a RAM expansion that you can try. When enough storage space is available, you can use part of it to expand your RAM, but I recommended you just turn off this RAM expansion because there is no effect if you turn this on. This is like virtual RAM. And this is the device storage. The internal total is 128 gigabyte, and about up to 40 gigabyte is available. Here you can check it out. This is the legal information. This is the model, and this is the SIM card status, and this is the IMEI and IP and regulatory. So here you can learn about your phone. If you first time use Android, or if you just buy both new Android, the first thing to do, you can check about phone to know the specification of your phone is matched with the box, or match with the information that you get. So feel free to try to access about phone in order to check your RAM and storage size in Android. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.